Hello, this is Patience of Menago Technologies. I train business owners, employees, and job seekers on digital skills and Microsoft Office, which covers Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and PowerPoint. So today I'll be showing you how to convert a text to sentence case, uppercase, and lowercase in Microsoft Excel. So join me. Let's start. So I have this Excel sheet with list of names, okay? So I want them to all be in sentence case, meaning I want the first letter, all the first letter of each name to be in capital letter. Okay, so what I want it to be in this cell. The first name, I'll start here. So I click on the cell, and every function starts with equal sign. So if I want to do anything, I'll start with equal sign in writing my function. And to convert this text to sentence case, we use a function called proper. That's P-R-O-P-E-R. So I type my equal sign first, and I type my proper, right? So before I finish typing, Excel will even bring it out. So I double click on proper and click on the first text, okay, and then close the function and press enter. So you can see it's now the first letter. The first letters are in capital letter. So I click on the first name. I come to this edge. You see the way my cursor is a big cross, but if I come in, I want it to be, it will turn to a tiny cross. So that's how it should be. So double click and drag down. Okay, see, they're all in sentence case now, which is beautiful, right? So let's do the second one, which is for uppercase. So let me delete this. Uppercase, the function to use is upper. So remember to use your equal sign, type upper, okay? For Excel will bring it out. So double click on upper, click on the first one, close your function and press enter. And then I click here, the same thing, drag down. That's upper, right? See, straightforward. Then the last one is lower. So equal sign, type lower, then double click here, then click on the first name, close my bracket and enter. You see, this one is all in small letters, so drag down. All right, so that's straightforward. So let me go back to my proper. I want to use the proper. So equal sign, remember, then proper. All right, so double click before you finish typing. Excel brings out, then click on the first text, close your bracket, enter, and then I'll drag down, right? So that's it. So I need to say this. So after doing this, you know, this is the list you want to use. If I come here and delete this one because I don't need any again, so if I come here and delete it, it would give me error. Or even if I do it like this, I delete it like this, it will disappear. The reason is because this the names are dependent on this one. Remember, the names are dependent on this list. So to avoid such error, what I normally do is I come here, I come to this list, I right click and I copy, and I come to this other column. I click here because this is where I want to paste it. And if I want to paste it, I will not just click paste, because if I do paste, it will do the same thing. Okay, so like if I just leave paste, this is what will happen again. If I come here and delete, everything will go off, right? So that's not, I don't want that to have happen. So what I do is I copy. I'm not showing you what you shouldn't do, but this is what you should do. So I copy, I come to this column, I right click, and it's sort of paste. Don't click on paste to come to paste special and click this arrow here. You see paste values. So I click on paste values. So if I click paste values, it will not rely on the first column. So I click on paste values. Okay, so now I can delete this too. Click and delete. So if I delete, you can see it will stay the way it should be. So this is how to change your text to sentence case, uppercase, and lowercase. I hope you liked the video. Please drop a comment, share. Okay, I'll see you in my next videos. Have a wonderful day. Bye.